Hello, this is Sunny from Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week. We are at week 3. So we're going to concentrate that on this verse for the next week. It's a very well-known one, Isaiah 40 verse 31. We're going to put that behind the daily sections. You're going to concentrate that on for the next 7 weeks. Your old daily one, you're going to move into even. So on the 2nd and the 4th, you're going to revise that verse. And your old even, you're going to put an odd. So on the 5th and the 7th, you can revise that. And your old even verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. You can choose anywhere. I'm going to put it behind Sunday because last week we did Saturday. So my old Sunday verse, I'm going to move into the monthly section. You can choose anywhere. I just choose a place where there's not few. So here behind the 22nd, there's just 2. So I'm going to put it behind the 22nd. And on the 22nd, I'm going to revise it. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to open my book and I'm going to memorize or write my verses out. And yeah, I'm just going to practice it by writing it out. So I hope you have a very blessed week and I hope this verse will be a blessing to you.